Hello Tech Explorers, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of smart systems. Ever wondered how your smart assistant talks back to you? Or how a smart light bulb changes color on command? The magic behind it all is something called an output device. Think of them as the voice and hands of any smart system. They take the digital commands from the computer's brain and turn them into real-world actions we can see, hear, or feel. It's like a translator, but instead of translating languages, it translates digital signals into physical reality. So, how does this digital to physical translation actually happen? Imagine a computer sending a tiny electrical signal, like a secret code made of ones and zeros. An output device receives this code and knows exactly what to do with it. If it's a display screen, it knows which pixels to light up and what color to make them. If it's a speaker, it translates the signal into sound waves that travel to our ears. This process of converting digital information into a tangible output is the core function that makes our smart world tick. It's the bridge between the silent, invisible world of code and the vibrant, active world we live in. Let's start with the most common type of output device, visual outputs. These are the things we see. The most obvious example is the screen you're looking at right now. Whether it's your phone, tablet, or computer monitor, displays are output devices that show us text, images, and videos. They work by controlling millions of tiny dots called pixels, telling each one precisely how bright to be and what color to display. But visual outputs can be much simpler too. Think about the tiny LED light on your laptop that tells you it's charging, or the blinking light on your Wi-Fi router. Those little lights are also output devices, providing simple, at-a-glance information. They are super efficient and effective for conveying a specific status, like on, off, or connecting. Alright, time for our first pop quiz question. Get ready to test your knowledge. Question 1. What is the name for the tiny dots of light that make up an image on a display screen? I'll give you a moment to think about it. We'll reveal the answers at the end of the video, so stick around. Next up, let's talk about audio outputs. These devices let us hear what a smart system is doing. The most familiar example is a speaker. When you ask your smart assistant for the weather, it sends a digital audio file to the speaker. The speaker then vibrates a diaphragm back and forth, creating sound waves that your ears interpret as your weather forecast. It's pretty amazing, but speakers aren't just for voice and music. Think about the simple beep your microwave makes when your food is ready. That sound comes from a small, simple audio output device called a buzzer. Buzzers are fantastic for alerts and notifications because they're direct and hard to ignore. From the cheerful chime of your doorbell to the urgent alarm from a smoke detector, audio outputs are a crucial way for technology to communicate with us. Now for our second quiz question. This one is about sound. Question 2. What simple audio output device is often used to create beeps and alerts in appliances like microwaves and smoke detectors? Think carefully, don't worry, we'll go over all the answers soon. Let's move on to the really cool stuff, mechanical outputs. These devices physically move things in the real world. They are the hands of our smart systems. A great example is a smart lock on a door. When you tap a button on your phone, the app sends a signal to the lock. Inside the lock, a small motor, which is a type of mechanical output device called an actuator, turns and physically moves the deadbolt to lock or unlock your door. No key needed. Other examples include robotic arms in a factory. A computer tells the arm's motors exactly how to move to pick up a part, weld it, or paint it with incredible precision. Even the tiny motor in your phone that makes it vibrate when you get a notification is a mechanical output device. It's all about turning digital commands into physical motion. This brings us to our third and final quiz question for today. Ready? Question 3. What is the general term for a mechanical output device, like a motor, that is responsible for moving or controlling a mechanism or system? Ponder that one for a bit. We're almost at the big reveal. So, where can we see all these different output devices working together in harmony? Let's look at some real-world examples. Take a smart home. Your smart display, a visual output, shows you who's at the door. Your smart speaker, an audio output, announces their arrival. And your smart lock, a mechanical output, lets you unlock the door for them, all from your couch. Another incredible example is a self-driving car. The car's main computer processes data from its sensors and then uses output devices to drive. It uses the dashboard display to show you the route. It might use audio alerts to warn you of a hazard, and most importantly, it uses actuators to control the steering, acceleration, and braking. These are all mechanical outputs that physically control the car. In factories, industrial robots use a combination of mechanical outputs like motors and greepers to assemble products with speed and precision that humans could never match. These examples show how output devices are the essential final step that allows smart technology to interact with and shape our world. Okay, the moment you've all been waiting for, quiz answers. Let's see how you did. For question 1, we asked what the tiny dots of light on a screen are called. The answer is pixels. If you got that right, great job. For question 2, we asked about the simple audio device for beeps and alerts. The answer is a buzzer. Well done if you knew that one. And for our final question, number 3, we asked for the general term for a device that creates motion, like a motor. The answer is an actuator. How did you do? Let me know your score in the comments below. To sum it all up, output devices are the unsung heroes of the smart world. They are the bridge that connects the digital brain of a computer to the physical world we live in. They give our gadgets a voice through speakers, a face through displays, and hands through motors and actuators. Without them, our smart devices would be silent, unseen, and unable to do anything. They make technology interactive, useful, and integrated into our daily lives. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore the world of output devices. I hope you had fun and learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves tech, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.